Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA on your Windows PC. This tutorial works on Windows 10 and Windows 11 and supports 64-bit systems. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Chrome, but Brave, Edge, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download IntelliJ IDEA, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official JetBrains website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the IntelliJ IDEA download page, make sure Windows is selected as your operating system, then click the download button. Save the installer file to your PC. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click it to begin the installation. If Windows shows a security or user account control prompt, click Yes to continue. The IntelliJ IDEA Setup Wizard will open. Click Next, choose your installation folder, then click Next again. Follow the on-screen instructions, select your preferred installation options, and click Next. Finally, click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. This may take a few moments. Once the setup is complete, click Finish. You can now launch IntelliJ IDEA from the Start menu or by using the desktop shortcut. When IntelliJ IDEA opens for the first time, accept the user agreement and continue. Next, you'll be asked to activate IntelliJ IDEA. If you already have a license or subscription, choose Activation Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using IntelliJ IDEA for free. And that's it. IntelliJ IDEA is now installed on your Windows PC, and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.